Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the WhatsApp media not downloading. First, check your internet connection and make sure that it is stable. Then go to the WhatsApp settings, click on your profile icon and then go to settings, and in the settings go to storage and data. Then go to media auto and then make sure that media downloads are enabled. Then check your phone storage, head over to your settings app and then go to general, then iPhone storage, and make sure that your device has enough storage space available. Also verify that WhatsApp has permission access to your photos and your storage. Then start your phone and try downloading the media app. Again, if the issue continues, head over to your app store, search for WhatsApp and then make sure that the app is updated to the latest version. That's how you fix the WhatsApp media not downloading. If you found this helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more helpful tutorials.